Certainly when you start a technology company, architecture is destiny. You don't want that architectural decision to limit you in the future. What you build at the beginning defines what you can become as a company. When we were starting BigID, we thought there was an opportunity to reimagine how organizations go about protecting their sensitive data. Early on, we made certain decisions in how we built the product. The choice of stack is important. We obviously looked at the structured options in terms of like Postgres and so forth, and we looked at some of the NoSQL structures. But again, we wanted an organization to bet on into the future. MongoDB provided us the full package, enterprise class support, multiple interfaces. We wanted the ability to operate in the cloud. We wanted to be able to operate in the data center. So we have a tremendous amount of flexibility in terms of what we collect and how we actually analyze the data to create the only catalog for unstructured data in the world. We're able to do things, especially around GenAI data, that none of our competitors are able to do. So MongoDB not only gave us enterprise support and enterprise class, but it essentially provided us future proofing, especially as we enter the GenAI era of big data. Decisions you make early on defines what you can become as a company. That decision to partner with MongoDB means that companies like us can rethink how people go about protecting their most critical and sensitive data.